As viewership on YouTube on TV screens has exploded, many advertisers and consumers are asking, how can viewers interact with YouTube ads on TV? Pixability is here to help clear things up. We all know how to click on ads on our phones or computers, but is it even possible to click on a TV ad from YouTube? Many don't know this, but you can. But it looks a bit different than on mobile or desktop, since TVs don't have that native click function. We'll explain. Instead of a direct click, YouTube has designed interactive ad formats that let users engage with ads using a remote, video game controller, or a connected device, depending on the kind of TV you own. Here's how to click or engage with TV screen YouTube ads for each type of TV. On smart TVs and streaming devices, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, Chromecast, you'll simply use your remote control. When an interactive ad appears, a button like Learn More or Shop Now will show up on the screen. You'll use your arrow keys on the remote to toggle to and highlight the CTA, then press OK/Enter to interact. After clicking, either a companion experience, like a QR code you scan with your phone, or a YouTube channel/brand page will appear inside the YouTube app. For some ads, pressing the button may send a link directly to your connected mobile device. Then there are TVs controlled by gaming consoles like Xbox or PlayStation. Same deal here, except instead of using your remote, you'll use the joystick or D-pad to toggle and highlight the CTA. Just press A for Xbox or X for PlayStation to click. Then there's second screen pairing to mobile for YouTube on TV. If your phone is connected to the TV via YouTube's Watch on TV feature, the ad might send a prompt to your phone instead of requiring a click via the controller. You can then click the ad on your phone screen, which many find as often an easier option than using a remote. Now that we've covered how to click on TV ads on YouTube, let's talk about how advertisers can track these interactions. What actually counts as a click? YouTube has interactive engagement signals that function as a proxy for clicks. Examples of engagements that count as clicks include remote engagements, like pressing OK/Enter on a CTA button, or navigating into the advertiser's YouTube channel or promoted video via the ad. Then there's second screen engagements. If your TV session is paired simultaneously with a phone, clicking the ad on your phone is still attributed back to a TV impression. QR code scans. Scanning a code shown during the ad and landing on the advertiser's site/app counts as a click equivalent event. Beyond click engagements, what about accounting for actual ad conversions? Conversions aren't just engagements or clicks on TVs. They require the user to complete a desired action. Purchase, sign up, app download, etc., usually on another device. Conversion events include website purchase or lead form completion after a QR code scan or a follow-up search. For example, clicking a Send to Phone CTA on a TV screen and completing a conversion event that follows on your mobile device from there. App install/in-app purchase, which is triggered from a mobile ad engagement linked to the TV ad. Engaged view conversions, EVCs, or YouTube-specific conversions that happen when someone watches a TV ad for 10 seconds or more, or to completion if less than 10 seconds, and later converts on another device. EVCs are still counted as a TV conversion, even if the user didn't interact with the ad on TV. Now you know how consumers can interact with YouTube ads on TV screens, and how these are measured by Google. Reach out to Pixability to learn more about all things YouTube advertising on TV screens and beyond. And remember, don't YouTube without us.